Here's a closer look at this cast iron griddle that was sent for my feedback. So this one is a really nice size. It spans across 2 burners, so it's great when you're cooking for the whole family or just want more space to work with. It works on pretty much anything, gas, grill, even the oven, so it's very versatile. It's made from heavy-duty cast iron, but what makes it different is the ceramic nonstick coating. You don't have to deal with seasoning, and food doesn't stick the way traditional cast iron sometimes can. Everything cooks evenly, so you're not dealing with any hot spots. It is reversible, which I love. One side is flat, which is perfect for pancakes, eggs, or grilled sandwiches. And you flip it over and you've got the ribbed size for burgers, steaks, or veggies with those nice grill marks. The higher sides help keep everything contained, and there is a built-in grease trap, which makes cleanup way less messy. Overall, this is a solid, heavy-duty piece. It's versatile, it's super practical. So if you want one piece that can do a little bit of everything, this is it. Definitely check it out.